Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Ram 5500 Cummins powered truck, just under 210,000 miles on it. It is four-wheel drive, has an 11-foot Adkins built Autocrane body and an HC7 Autocrane, 7,000 pounds maximum capacity. Hydraulic outriggers, Autocrane compressor. It does have some drawer packs as well. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So if you have any additional questions or need any more pictures or videos after watching, please feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. First half of the video, I'm just going to be going around and showing the cosmetic condition of the truck. We'll get inside all the bins underneath the truck, look at everything. Second portion of the video, we'll do a drive and demonstration on all the equipment. And then if you want to know all the work that we've completed to the truck, feel free to check out our full listing. We'll have a full description of all the service and repairs we've done to the truck since we've gotten it. So let's get right into it. I'll do my best with this sun glare to get some good footage here. It's kind of hard with the sun at the angle that it is. But for the mileage the truck has on it, it's really in excellent shape. You have some very small rock chips along the top of the hood here. No damage to the grille or the bumper really to speak of. We didn't put these tires on, but it's got great tread on the matching Michelin steers up here. And then it has a Continental mixed terrain on the back as well. Also really good tread. Interior of the truck, the only wear inside here really to note is going to be on the center console lid. Common area there. No rips or tears on either of the seats. Again, it is four-wheel drive, your factory exhaust brake. It does have a rear view camera in that little screen right there on the dash. Obviously, we'll get to that when we do the drive portion. Fronts of the service body here, you can see just some areas where they've picked up rocks and debris from the road, and the paint's chipped there. This bed is factory paint. We have not had it repainted. Shows pretty well. Obviously you have some signs of wear, rock chips specifically along here, and then down here, and then along the door hinge here. I'll show you close-ups of all that, but just want to kind of give you an overview, full view of it. This is your torch cabinet here. You have your bottle racks. All the bin floors are dry. All the doors close, latch, and lock as they should. Again, for the miles, it's really a clean unit. Here's your spot right here. We have some of that paint failure there. Down there you have some chips along the bottom of that door. The bed, Titan 38, 2015. So you'd have to assume it's always been on this truck. No reason to think it's ever been remounted. Same year as the truck. You have a little bit of paint failure here just along this wheel well trim piece. Again, all the bin floors are dry. Gas shocks are nice and tight. Drive tires are in excellent condition. Nice and dry on the underside as well. Crane compartment back here. You do have a waste oil in the bed. There's your transfer valve right there. Hose reel for the compressor. Factory wireless remote. Hydraulic outriggers, the crane side extends, the non-crane side does not. It does have a master lock here as well for the bed, so you can lock all the bins at the same time. Obviously all the latches are keyed the same way, and we do have the keys. It's a 7,000 pound Autocrane, full hydraulic PTO driven crane, 2-stage maximum extension out to 20 feet 6 inches, and again a 7,000 pound maximum lifting capacity. You have a Wilton vise. It's pretty hit or miss whether these vices work or not. This one seems to work just fine. There's your product tank in the back, just one product tank. You have your factory tow hitch receiver, and as you can see, just a bunch of rock chipping and wear, whatnot, on the rear bumper. Nothing major to be concerned about, but just worth pointing out, as well as the tailgate area there. Pass through. Again, on the back, a little bit more paint failure there. That's just grease. And this is just grease as well. Some shelving in here. Solid floor, just a shelf sitting on the floor. Looks like at some point they probably had a welder mounted up here. It's no longer there, but the brackets are still there to mount a welder. Nice shot of the frame there. Another drawer. I'm sorry, another shelf. I don't know why I said drawer. Some more rock chips. Some wear along that edge. A ladybug. Full set of Eberhard grip and glide drawers in this compartment. The drawers slide fairly smooth. The latches are nice and tight. Another thing to note is that most of the compartments do have LED strip lighting in them. When I do the crane demo, I'll turn on those lights. Probably won't be able to see them very well since we're in full daylight out here, but it is nice with the days getting shorter, just the time of the year that we're in. I love these Autocrane drawers. There's a little latch on the bottom. You just push up and it runs the length of the drawer. They're sturdy, they slide well, and they're just really easy to open and close one-handed. Except for that one, I spoke too soon. That appears stuck on one side. There's some dividers inside there as well. Again, nice and dry underneath. Power locks, power windows, cruise control. 209, 231 on the miles. We'll get a shot of the hours here real quick as well. So we talked about compartment lighting. Every single compartment has this real nice LED strip lighting in it. It's really bright. Even in full daylight, you can see it really well. But all the way around every compartment, you got these 2 rear work lights here. You have 2 rear work lights up there as well. So tons of lighting already on this truck. Obviously not a huge cost to rig it out like that, but it is nice to get it from day one with all the lighting you'll need already on it. Everything's operated off this factory wireless remote. Compressor comes on off the remote. Super quick operation on the compressor. Shuts off on its own. Two-stage hydraulic extension out to a maximum again of 20 feet 6 inches. Do multiple functions at once as well. So that's it. Again, it's a 2015 Ram 5500 Cummins powered truck, ASN automatic transmission. Just under 210,000 miles on it. Autocrane HC7, compressor, some drawers. Really nicely equipped truck. If you have any questions or need any additional information, it's 804-716-8487. This is all that we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, just a little bit different configuration, bigger crane, smaller crane, whatnot, give us a shout. We probably have what you're looking for. We do ship anywhere in the country, and we have financing available. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.